What's up YouTube? My name is Gillis the Kid. I am back with another online review. I was going through my email and I seen that Motorola is trying to make a comeback with the Razr. I'm on Motorola's website here right now. This is what the phone looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. The original Razr came out in 2004 and Motorola is scheduled to have this new Razr coming out in the beginning of 2020, but there are a couple of things that concern me with this device. I'm just going to show you the specs real quick. And there's a lot of videos on YouTube now where they actually have the phone in their hand and they're using it. Like I said, it does look really, really good. And this is what the hinge looks like. So it looks like Motorola has taken its time to build this thing, especially what happened with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And it's super thin, just like any other flip phone. That's how it looks when it's closed. It has like a screen on the front where you can look at all the messages and stuff like that. That's how it looks when it's open. But trust me, this does not do it justice. You definitely want to look up a video and see it in motion. It looks really good. It has something called a flex view display. And you can watch movies on it. So that's how it will look. Some reviewers were reporting that it only had one camera, but clearly it has two. I'm going to show you that in a second. It has like night mode and stuff like that, portrait mode. Most people that buy this device, they're probably not going to be buying it because of the camera. You can probably get a cheaper Android phone with a better camera on it. And it comes with earbuds. It's got a USB-C connector. I'm going to show you all the specs here. So it's got a Snapdragon 710 processor, so nothing too fancy. It's got 128 gigs of storage. It does not have expandable storage, so you can't put an SD card in it. It does come with Google Photos, just like every other Android phone, so you get free unlimited high quality storage for free. It's water resistant. It's got Google Lens. But look at this. It comes with Android Pie. I mean, the OnePlus came with, what was it, Android 10? There's no reason why this phone should not launch with Android 10 on it. But, you know, that can always be updated in the future. Android 9, that's a little bit older. It's got 6 gigs of RAM. And it's got a fingerprint reader too. And that's the battery size. So we're looking at 2510 milliamp non-removable battery. The old Razr back in the day, I believe you could take out the battery. And it's got a 15 watt turbocharge. And that's the size of the screen. So 6.2 foldable OLED to screen. And that comes in at 2142 by 876p. It's an HD display. Motorola is calling it Cinema Vision. Every carrier, every manufacturer, they have like a special name for their screens. Samsung, they had like the Infinity O display. Yeah, and the screen on the front, it's a 2.7 inch OLED. So not too bad. Like I said before, it is water resistant with a nano coating. It comes in one color, which is black. And here you go. You've got two cameras. So on the rear, it's a 16 megapixel camera with electronic image stabilization, dual LED flash. And you got a 5 megapixel camera on the front. And it does shoot video. It does not say if it's 1080p or not. I don't think it's 4K. But, you know, it's a pretty good camera. It's going to get the job done. Nothing too fancy. Like I said, no one's really going to be buying this phone for the camera. It's got bottom ported speakers, 4 microphones, no FM radio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, which means you can connect 2 things at once. It's got NFC and an eSIM, and it does have USB Type-C, which is a major plus. And that's what you get in the box. So you get the earbuds. It does come with a case. You get the turbo power charger and the USB Type-C connector. But there is a couple of things that concern me, though. Number one is the price. So this phone is going to be $1,500. It is about $500 cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Fold, but $1,500 on Verizon's network is absolutely ridiculous, because that's about $60 a month, not including like the expensive Verizon plans. And Verizon has a history of not selling phones that's exclusive to their network. When the Google Pixel first came out, I wanted to see what it looked like. I always get bad experiences in Verizon stores. Either the sales reps don't know what they're talking about, or they never have the device on display. I know Motorola has had ties with Verizon in the past, but I feel like this phone at this price on Verizon's network, it's not going to do too good. They should have picked T-Mobile, in my opinion. The OnePlus came out on T-Mobile and it sells pretty well. Yeah. Motorola, what are you doing? I mean, $1,500, that's a lot of money, especially for these specs. And it's a flip phone. So, I mean, maybe a lot of people would probably buy this phone. The original Motorola Razr sold about 130 million something devices. It's like one of the best-selling flip phones of all time. But yeah, it's not due until 2020. So you can go on the website, you can register, and like I said, it's only going to be exclusive to Verizon. I don't see this phone selling very well on Verizon, and it has nothing to do with their network. It's just I always have bad experiences with Verizon. They never have the phone on display, or the sales reps, they just have no idea what you're talking about. But let me know what you think about the Motorola Razr. Is it a phone you see yourself buying in the near future? I'm going to have some more videos coming up pretty soon. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.